Hey guys, today I'm going to make some potatoes and corn in the slow cooker. So let's get cracking. I cooked some chicken on the grill the other day and I wanted a side dish to go with it, so this is what I came up with. All you need is, that's about 3 pounds of red potatoes. You can use any kind of potatoes you like. Russets will work fine. 2 cans of sweet corn, 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and then I'll just season it with a little salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. So let me get those cut up and we'll get everything into the pot. I've already put my 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup into the pot. Now we'll add our 2 cans of corn here. And the liquid in the corn will be enough liquid. We don't have to add any other liquid to that. My daughter loves this recipe. I gave her some of this and some of the chicken I made the other day, and she said the chicken was good, but she couldn't believe how good these potatoes were. She really liked this recipe. All right, now we'll add the potatoes in. Everything is pretty well mixed up here. I'm going to season that with a little Johnny's seasoned pepper. And it'll probably need some salt too, but I will add that later on at the end. So I'm going to cook this on high, and it will probably take about 4 hours or so, just until the potatoes are tender. It's been about 4 hours, so let's take a look at this. Those potatoes seem nice and tender, so let me get some out of there and we'll try it out. This batch is a little bit soupier than the one I made the other day. Maybe I didn't put as many potatoes in it. The other day I just put it on a plate with my chicken, but anyway, almost looks like a chowder. Let's give it a taste test here. That is really good. I made it with russet potatoes the other day, but it's better with the red potatoes. I like that even better. It's really good for being so easy. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.